Well, I'm sure you're well aware that it has been a very dry past few weeks, but we've seen these spells before where it has turned considerably wetter and essentially erased the deficit of rainfall, from say a month or two previous to the following couple of months here with a wetter pattern. But the question is this: while we're going down a wetter pattern, is this enough of a change to then kind of recast the atmosphere, reshape it, and therefore um, um, bring a much different weather pattern from spring into the summertime? That is the golden question. But certainly looking at the CFSv2, we do have that shift. Instead of having a positive to the west of the UK, we have a negative. And with the positive to the southwest, southeast, sorry, negative to the northwest, we've got that southwesterly airflow with Atlantic systems coming in across our shores. So we are going to see rain finally for the first time in maybe 2, even 3 weeks. We've not had a drop of rain, certainly in central Scotland. So warmer air means more energy to the atmosphere, and therefore we could see some fairly significant thunderstorms in response to that front coming in, dragging that warm, humid air up from the south. We're going to feel a much more muggier and milder air mass, but also that comes with some plenty of lift and convective energy within the atmosphere. So we could see even localized flash flooding with these thunderstorms as they progress northwards during the day, Thursday into Friday. However, the CFSv2 indicates that we are going to flip back to what we've got at the moment. So therefore, this is a temporary spell of weather conditions for the UK, which is interesting here. And this is starting to shape in nicely with my June ideas that I'm already starting to develop, which is warmer and drier than normal. And therefore, the short-lived wet spell that we do see may not be enough to truly soak the ground. So therefore it dries out quickly once again and we're back to square one. So upcoming 7 days, negative to the west of the UK, positive over the Mediterranean. We've got that southwesterly airflow, a wetter pattern for the UK. But notice here in the following 7 days, we reverse that and return to what we've got at the moment. High pressure over the Atlantic extending into the UK. So therefore we don't have that westerly component to our airflow, and that pattern seems to maintain itself as we go through the remainder of May, even into the month of June. As you can see here, we've got negative to the south, positive to the north here. So we continue to see wetter than normal conditions across Iberia, France, maybe into the south of the UK, but further north it's a drier than normal pattern. So let's have a very, very quick look at the rainfall, and just bear with me 1 second here, because there we go. The rainfall does also indicate, like the positive heights, that we are going to see a drier than normal pattern in response to that. They shift back to positive over the North Atlantic here. So let's have a look. Week 1, you can see here that it is indicating that we are going to see slightly wetter than normal conditions from south northwards here, for the simple fact that we've got that shift in the heights. Following 7 days, the CFSv2 is indicating that we have that return to drier than normal, if you can see here. Following 7 days, this takes out to the 31st of May. Again, we've got drier than normal. So is the CFSv2 wrong, barking up the wrong tree? This is a much more pronounced change to weather than normal. I would bet more on the CFSv2 as opposed to any other solution. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day Wednesday, and I'll be back in the next several days. Bye for now.